Alright, now let's play this Pinaralaps Tower. Don't mind anyone's voice. We are at this team. And I'm sure I'm playing this game like I'm talking to Filipinos. Sure, yeah. Let's talk about this. Like, what if mahal mo siya, pero mahal niya yung taong may kaya? Aray mo. Okay, starting mag-relapse. Ay, sorry. Trust me, mapapaiyak ka in your journey. Well, I think she doesn't need to prove it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Like, never ka na fall kahit kanino. Like, kita niya. Alright, I'm see what you're doing is. What if ikaw ang pinili pero hindi ikaw ang mahal? Wow, sensitive, supporting man. Never love. Oh my god. Fall. Oh my god. We're gonna be finished this online na natin. Yeah, let's start entering these all games like we haven't posted yet. Okay, so start na po. What if di ka naman talaga niya mahal? Palipas oras ka lang. Well, don't tell me. Oh my god. Too loose. Don't worry, I'm gonna make it better.